Ready to turn your website visitors into loyal customers? Let's add an email newsletter subscription to your Shopify store in under 90 seconds. First things first, we need a tool to manage subscriptions. Head over to your Shopify admin and click on Apps. Here, you can explore the Shopify App Store, search for email marketing, and you'll find a wealth of options. Look for apps that offer easy-to-use newsletters, Signup forms, and good integration with Shopify. Many have free plans perfect for getting started. Once you've chosen an app, click on it and then select Add App. Review the permissions and confirm the installation. This usually takes just a moment. Now, navigate to your newly installed apps dashboard. You'll typically find options to create a new Signup form, a pop-up, or even an embedded form for your website. Let's create a pop-up for maximum visibility. Many apps offer pre-designed templates, or you can customize everything from the background color and text to the button label. Make it inviting and clear what visitors will get by subscribing. Think about what information you need. Usually, just an email address is enough. Maybe a first name. Keep it simple to encourage more Signups. Alternatively, if you prefer to embed a form directly into your site, go to Online Store from your Shopify admin, then click Themes. On your chosen theme, click Customize. To open the theme editor, look for an option to add section and find a newsletter, Signup, or similar block. Drag and drop it to your desired location, often in the footer or a dedicated section. Some themes have built-in newsletter functionality. You might just need to enable it and perhaps adjust some basic styling within the theme customizer. And there you have it, a professional newsletter Signup form on your Shopify store, ready to start collecting those valuable email addresses and build your customer list.